Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on iPhone. First of all, come to your main settings like so, scroll down and tap general, then you want to go down and find the option for date and time. Make sure you got this set automatically. After you have done that, see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, the next thing you want to try doing is coming down and finding the option VPN and device management. Make sure your iPhone isn't trying to connect. You can stop that here and even go and delete it. The next thing you can try doing is coming back to your Wi-Fi settings. Find the network and press I to the right, and we can go and forget it at the top like so. And then what you can try doing is reconnecting to it, press join, and go and see if that solves the problem. If it does, great. If it doesn't, the next thing we're going to try and do is pulling a restart, press the increase volume button, then the decrease, and hold down the side power button. Keep it held down. Your phone screen will go black. Release when you go and see the Apple icon. When it starts, see if the problem is solved. If it still isn't, then what you should try doing is checking the connection on the router and try restarting it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.